Hello.
Hello, thanks for calling Castor. This is Anwar. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm Emily. I placed an order for a ripped jeans. I just got it, but I think this one is not a good fit for me. I usually order a medium size, but I don't know for some reason this one right here is quite small for me.
Okay, I'm really sorry for your trouble, Emily. I'm here to help. Could you please tell me your order number so that I can take a quick look into the further details to find the right fit for you?
Yeah, sure. My order number is 997064.
Okay, I got it. So if you could just stay with me for a moment. I'm looking for your order here. Alright, so you ordered a medium-sized sky blue taper-ripped jeans. So according to the description, you ordered the waist of medium 32 and the inseam measurement of 30. Is this about right?
Did you say the inseam was 30?
Yeah, the inseam is 3030.
Oh, now it makes sense to me. That is why it doesn't fit. It must have been a mistake from my end. Anwar, could you help me replace it with an inseam length of 32 as well?
Yeah, definitely, Emily, not a problem. Castor provides its customers a 30 days of hassle-free refund and an exchange policy, so you're good to go. Let's just confirm your order. So you want a waist of 32 with an inseam of 32 as well in the same sky blue taper jeans article. Is this about right, Emily?
Yeah, I think it's perfect. That would surely be a right fit for me.
All right, Emily, so I'm confirming your order from here. It will be dispatched in around 2 business days. One more thing, Emily, since it's an exchange order, I will send it with a free shipping label. But when you receive this on your doorstep, could you please sign the exchange form and return the previous article to the courier guy?
Yeah, definitely, Anwar. Thanks a lot for being so cooperative. Have a great day.
You're welcome, Emily. Keep shopping from Castor. Take care.